Hello everyone, today I'm excited to introduce to you a groundbreaking concept of reshaping the retail landscape, the AI enhanced smart basket with serverless computing. Imagine a shopping experience that goes beyond the ordinary combining of cutting edge technology with everyday convenience. Okay, we got overview, key features, benefits, implementation, analysis and impacts. So let's see what problem we actually solve. At an AI enhanced shopping application which have you know it solves lack of personalization, inefficient checkout process, and using the data effectively, and delivery purchase problems, and technically refining every experience that we used to experience on an e-commerce application. And with the help of AI and serverless computing, we're gonna have a very big wide spectrum of opportunities to being upgraded to many other new technologies that are being introduced. So let's have an overview. So an AI enhanced mobile application is going to change the retail experience by having individual customers on their own suggestions, and gonna manage the checkout individually with serverless computing on each entity. And we're gonna give some reward systems and customer loyalty behavioral points in order to make our application even more interactive. And we are going to use a chatbot which is going to help us communicate with our customers even faster and effective. So these are our key features. I'll give you a link below to read this complete presentation. I've presented a lot of things, but main things are serverless computing, cloud-based analytics, gamification, and AI-based, model train-based basket, and which is more of a suggestion. And these are some additional topics that we could work on. Now the benefits, first of all, personalized shopping experience, and the second one is seamless payment and efficient checkout, because everything is framed on AI. We have a much more effective hand on the customer side and their data handling. And so let's see the implementation. We have application development, customer end application and Android application, and we're gonna collect the data and make the data to be fed to be trained under an AI algorithm. And we're gonna set up a cloud infrastructure to regulate the user data credibility points and their checkout information. And gonna use serverless computing because we have a certain advantage of making a SaaS around this total integration. And by this we can achieve real-time data to be transferred into our application, and a secure payment gateway which is completely individual around our total system. And we're gonna add an virtual application, virtual shopping assistants in the form of chatbot. Gonna introduce some gamification and loyal programs, because to make the total application more engaging. The remaining things are around development sector, and you can see the whole total benefits points which is being mentioned here. And okay, I'll really talk about this. Yeah, these are the further upgrades that we can work with. Uh, yeah. Okay, now. Okay, now let's see what actually the system is gonna work. So here we got an mobile application on the customer end. We're gonna do dual side authentication on our data in order to check the data is valid and it's appropriately segregated around other datas. We're gonna use some cloud DNS around the mainframe server and some serverless computing. Here we're gonna use some lambda functions in order to automate the data. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna collect the data of an individual user and segregate it and make the machine learning algorithms to train on the data. And we're gonna use NLP and generative AI to generate recommendations and specifications of the customer, and gonna suggest it to them so that it will gonna be useful for them and make the retail experience more effective. And on the other hand, when the retail checkout process and delivery process is going to happen on the serverless computing on each and so let's see how this application is going to be. Now let's log in the OTP and set up our profile. Here you can adjust your notifications and you can check like whatever you want, and you can adjust settings or display mode. Now let's get into uh, the home screen, and here we'll be having a basket. I've been having some products in here. You can enable AI assistant, you can chat with it, uh, you can create a profile, track your orders, and you can take a picture of your product and just ask a query about that. uh, Everything in order to utilize everything around this application, you should be creating a profile. So we got a product catalog. So that's all about the project, and I hope you really like this project, and thank you.